evening, good morning, whatever it is in your time base. This is a paid newsletter, so I'm going to be going over this in a little bit. But let's just go over to the actual, I'm writing this, okay? I started doing the watch list for paid subscriber benefit back in August. I think building watch lists is an unseen skill in portfolio management because remember, you've got to go from taking your watch list to actually taking action. So having that watch list, knowing why you are interested in a stock and getting that risk and reward. Again, I try to update my watch list regularly. I have weekly watch lists. I have monthly watch lists. I have immediate momentum watch lists. I have a lot. And I do have the daily stock pick core portfolio, which is, hey, in Savvy Trader, you can go and see that one. The names that deserve a place in everyone's portfolio, in my mind. Again, Cleveland Cliffs, Roblox, maybe they're not your type, but you could pick 5 names out of that list and say, yeah, I want these in my momentum. So in the watch list, I want to capitalize on momentum and known catalysts during the month. August, I had great watch list. Nebius up 154% since it was picked. COMM, which is up 117% since August. September included Western Digital, up 86% since then. Open Door is up 74%. October had IREN, which is up 32% since then. BETR, which is up 24% since then. So I mentioned every one of these stocks on the podcast. And so you've got a free level for everybody with this newsletter. Anybody can get this. This includes you can reply directly to me, free bullish stocks. You get every day, you get a list of notes from the podcast. So you can take advantage of these. These aren't names that I don't bring up. But this new particular paid newsletter, it goes into more depth as to why I'm picking them, whether I'm actually investing in them, to be honest with you. And that's what it does. And if you're interested in a founding member subscription, that one is a bit more expensive, but it comes with the ability to schedule one-on-one sessions with me. It's not just $400 and then you get to schedule the one-on-one sessions. You have to pay an additional fee for the one-on-one sessions. And the reason for that, I don't like doing them. There is nothing that you're going to ask me on a one-on-one session that I won't say on a podcast. It just gets you the opportunity to kind of talk to me about it. So again, the 2 paid memberships, if you want to support me, support me. If not, hey, the free podcast has plenty of stuff in it. So let's get into it now.
Every morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears. Tune in daily, don't miss a single show. Sign up for the newsletter, let us help you grow. Taking risks, making moves, seeking success. Together we'll conquer, no room for any less. Every morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears.